Hello, magandang hapon po. Ako po ulit si Vince. Naghanap ako ng trabaho para sa mga kababayan natin dito sa UK at kung may chance sa iba pang parts ng Europe. So today, ang gagawin natin is maghahanap tayo ng job sa isa sa pinaka-legitimate na pathway. Ito ay ang searching via job posting sa Nops, Aki. Go, go, go inside. Ate, anuhin mo nga ito. Gawa ng content si Papa. Later, bye! DMW or Department of Migrant Workers. Ganito lang yon. Ibisita nyo yung website, makikita ninyo ang lahat ng job posting available in the UK muna. So let's try 5 companies. Ito po yon. Let's go straight to the calls. Euro-Asian Consultancy Services. Meron silang job posting sa Department of Migrant Workers or DMW. So, ito po yung number. Ang number nila ay nakuha natin at information sa public domain. So, pwede natin silang tawagan. Line busy sila. Ulitin natin. Line busy again. Line busy pa rin ang Euro-Asian Consultancy Services. Pero kung makikita ninyo, meron silang jobs like technician, engineers. So pagbisita ninyo sa DMW website, isa-search nyo lang yung principal. Meron din silang agency na ginagamit. Pwede rin ninyo siyang i-email. Malay nyo, available pa ang mga jobs na ito. Next, tawagan natin yung para naman sa mga chef, carer at saka butcher. Merong principal company based in the UK. It's called Diva Consulting Services Limited. So let's see if these jobs are still available. (446) 817 Tuesday. Yan, nagre-ring sila.
Welcome to voicemail. The person you've called is not available. Please leave your message after the tone.
Yun, nag-attempt din tayo ng couple of times sa Diva Consulting Services Limited, yung naka-advertise dito sa kanilang website. Hindi naman naka-advertise, yung nakalagay sa kanilang website. However, busy yung line, nagre-ring at saka busy. Pero meron na email na nakalagay doon sa kanilang contact details. So you may be able to email this number and ask if these jobs are still available. So next naman tayo, Grand Hotel Excelsior International Limited, which is, sila ay based in Southampton, England. Hindi ko makita yung kanilang pangalan sa list of sponsors. However, baka sila ay nagsusupply, yung kanilang sinusupplyan, yun yung registered with the Home Office sponsor. Baka yun yung merong sponsor license. Pero tawagan natin sila kung ano yung kung available pa yung mga jobs na nakapost sa DMW.
Thank you for calling. Please note that your call may be recorded for training and monitoring purposes. Please listen to the following options carefully, as they've recently changed. Benson, how can I help?
Oh, hi, good afternoon. I'd like to be transferred to HR, if that's possible.
We don't have an in-house HR team, unfortunately.
And actually, they have posted a job on a government portal of the Philippines. I just want to know if the jobs are still available.
No worries. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
So, yung Grand Hotel ay baka mali yung nakuha kong details. So, I think siya ay hotel chain. Let's find some other numbers. Pero, ngayon, tingnan natin. Etong isang company na nag-advertise, isang company na nag-request ng job orders mula sa Pilipinas, ang kailangan nila ay mga childminder. For sure, ito ay same occupation or job occupation ng mga nursery assistants, yung childminder. Ang company is Nanny and Housekeeper Limited. Meron silang sponsor, sila ay nasa sponsor license list ng Home Office, meaning they can sponsor migrant workers. So, tapos may job posting sila sa DMW. So, let's have a look kung available pa yung job na nakapost doon sa DMW website. 573-3427.
Good afternoon, Filipino staff. How can I help you?
Oh, hi. Good afternoon. I just wanna know or ask if the jobs posted on DMW or Department of Migrant Workers are still available.
What I'll have to do is I'll have to take the details down. I'll have to get someone to give you a call back regarding that, if that's okay.
Oh, yeah. Can I leave my name and number?
Yeah, can I take an email address
Yeah,
as well?
my
And you're just calling regarding an advertisement.
yeah, regarding the job posting actually at the DMW website.
On what website, sorry?
DMW, Department of Migrant Workers in the Philippines.
Right, okay.
I think they're recruiting from the Philippines. I just want to know which jobs are still
Right, okay.
available.
No worries, that's fine.
Alright.
I'll forward that on the main team and I'll get someone to get back in contact with you as soon as possible.
Thank you so much. Thanks for your time.
No worries. Have a lovely evening.
Have a great weekend. Bye.
Alright, bye.
Yun, tingnan natin. So I think if they are still recruiting, pwede nyo din kontakin yung kanilang PRA or Philippine Recruitment Agency. So actually, maganda yung titingnan lang ninyo sa government website or DMW kasi ito yung pinaka-legitimate. When it comes to legitimacy of the jobs posted in the UK or available in the UK, pwede nyo talagang first reference ang DMW website. Kasi doon mo malalaman, available pa ba to? Nakukuha na ba sila? Or paano nila ini-screen yung kanilang mga candidates? And then, pupunta lang kayo dun sa agency sa Philippines. Okay, next. This is the safest, I think, if you are applying via an agency, safest talaga yung dadaan ka sa DMW. Kasi yung lahat ng guidance nandyan na yan. Government yan. May isa pa tayong tatawagan. Ang kailangan daw naman nila sa DMW website, ang nakalagay ay mga radiographer. Paano bang i-pronounce yung radiographer? Radiographers. So let's see. Sila ay based in England, Cheshire. Actually based in Cheshire to.
Thank you for calling ABHSC. Please dial 1 if you know the extension number you require. Dial 2 for reception, 3 for security,
This is
and
Apollo
4 for accounts. Or dial
UK
5
Limited.
for the accommodation team. Security, how can I help?
Oh, hi. Good afternoon. Can I be transferred to HR or recruitment, please?
There's no one in this time of night, 4 o'clock. They've finished at 3 today, Friday.
All right. I just want to ask because I have seen job posting on the Philippine government website, Department of Migrant Workers or DMW. Are you still recruiting from the Philippines? Are those jobs still available as radiographers?
Oh, yeah, I'm not too sure. Do you know that you've come through to Apollo Buckingham?
Right. Yeah. It's just this is the number for Apollo Education UK Limited, and that's the one posted on the Philippine embassies or the Philippine government website.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. The best thing to do if you contact Monday, if you phone here on Monday and ask to speak to Shobit, he's the guy that deals with all the Apollo education.
Shobit. Okay. All right.
Yeah, Shobit. That's the guy that you need to talk to, okay?
Right. Okay. That is fine. Thank you so much.
No problem whatsoever. Thank you very much indeed.
Have a
Thank
great
you.
day. Bye.
Bye now. Bye.
Ayun, nagtawag tayo ng 5 na mga job posting sa DMW website. Katulad nga sabi ko, ito siguro yung isa sa pinaka-legitimate na job postings kasi ito ay posted sa ating government website. Ngayon, yung screening process lang ang kailangan nating tingnan. Meron kalimitan kung ito ay may job orders, either meron yung employer sa UK na Foreign Placement Agency in the UK or directly sila na nakikipag-coordinate sa Philippine Recruitment Agency or PRA sa Pilipinas. Pwede po ninyong kontakin yung local partner nila. Pero ang sinasabi ko, if you go to DMW website, ito po yung website na yon, pwede mo ma-search ang mga jobs na available sa United Kingdom. So, i-search mo lang job site, United Kingdom, at makikita mo yung mga available jobs dito. Tingnan mo kung ano yung date, kung kailan ito pinost, at pwede mong i-verify by searching the employer's website, at saka yung kanilang partner sa Philippines, i-verify ninyo if you're qualified, ito yung isang magandang pathway para makapunta sa UK under skilled worker visa. Hanggang sa muli po. Thank you at marami pa po tayong mga videos na gagawin sa mga susunod. Salamat!